Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. Now, today we're going to solve some word problem which is based on the multiplicative or reciprocal of fraction. Okay, so let's see. You can note down the question along with me. By what number should 6 whole 2 upon 9 be multiplied to get 4 whole 4 upon 9? Question is, by what number should 6 whole 2 upon 9 be multiplied to get 4 whole 4 upon 9? If you see one small example, question is saying that by which number we multiply by 2 so that we can get the answer 10. If we take suppose x here, that we suppose we multiply 2 by x, we get 10. It means x is equals to, if we divide this answer, whatever the answer we get, 10 is divided by this 2, how much we get? We get 5 here. So your answer will be 5. Same process you have to apply here in this question. Question is, by what number 6 whole 2 by 9 be multiplied so that we can get the answer is 4 whole 4 by 9. So you just take here x. So x is equals to, divide this answer 4 whole 4 by 9 by 6 whole 2 by 9. Now change it in improper fraction. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4, 40 by 9 divided by 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2, 56 by 9. Now x is equals to 40 by 9. This divide sign change into multiply sign, and the reciprocal of this fraction is 9 by 56. 9 and cancel. Divide this. 8 7s are 56. 8 5s are 40. So your answer will be 5 by 7. This is your answer. Clear? Now see one more question. The cost of 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg of apples is rupees 400. At what rate per kg are the apple being sold? Means this 400 is the cost of this much amount of kg of apple. 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg. Okay, weight of apple is 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg, and the cost of this much kg of apple is 400. Okay, you have to find the cost of 1 kg of apple. So we do like this. Cost of 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg apple is rupees 400. Cost of 1 kg, for cost of 1 kg apple, we divide the total amount by the total weight of apple. Total weight of apple is 6 whole 1 upon 4 kg. So 400 divided by, change it into improper fraction, 25 upon 4. Now 400 multiply 4 upon 25, reciprocal of this fraction. So 25, how much? 16. 25 16s are 400. 16 4 are 64 rupees. Means cost of 1 kg of apple is how much? 64 rupees. Now see the third one. The product of two numbers is 25 whole 5 by 6. Student, you have to note down the question. Okay, if one of the number is 6 whole 2 upon 3, find the other. Solution is, suppose we take x1 into x2. These are two numbers. Okay, x1 and x2 are two numbers. On multiplying these two numbers, how much we get? We get 25 whole 5 by 6. Clear? If out of these two number, if one number is given you, and that one number is, either you take x1 is equals to 6 whole 2 upon 3, or you can take x2 is equals to 6 whole 2 by 3. Now we take x1 is equals to 6 whole 2 by 3 into x2 is equals to 25 whole 5 by 6. Now from here the question is same as question number 1. For x2 we divide this 25 whole 5 by 6 by 6 whole 2 by 3. So 25 6 are 150. 150 plus 5, 155 upon 6 divided by 6 is 18. 18 plus 2 20 upon 3. Now 155 upon 6 into 3 by 20. 3 2s are 6, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 and the 5. Now there is no further cancellation, so your answer will be 31 upon 8. You can change it also in mixed fraction. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 7 31. This is your second number. So the second number will be, the second number is 3 whole 7 upon 8. See the fourth one. A wire of length is 12 meter, 12 whole 1 upon 2 meter is cut into 10 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. Now see, suppose you take a wire and the length of this wire is 12 whole 1/2 meter. The length of this wire is 12 whole 1/2 meter. Now you want to divide this wire in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One part, first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, ninth part and 10th part. These are of equal length. Now you have to find the length of each piece. हर एक piece की length कितनी होगी? You have to find that. So you can do by like this. Divide this total length by 10. Length of wire is 12 whole 1/2 meter. Total pieces is how much? 10. So to find one length of one piece is equals to divide 12 whole 1/2 by 10. Divide this. So 25/2 divide by 10. 25/2 multiply this. The reciprocal of 10 is 1/10. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So here was 5/4 or 1 whole 1/5. Means the length of one piece. Length of each piece is how much? 1 whole. You can write here each piece. Length of each piece is 1 whole 1/4 meter. Okay. Now note down one question for your homework. Simplify a part. 3/10 divided by 10/3. 5 whole 4/7 divided by 1 whole 3/10. This is your homework. Okay. Now you take the screenshot one by one. Okay. Let's take the screenshot of this page. Then the second page. And here is your third page. Okay. Now class students, in the next video I will take your one test, okay, of chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 1 is yours what? Integer, and second chapter is your fraction. Whatever I teach you in the previous video, I will ask question related from that video only. Okay. So you will revise all the videos carefully and I will take the test on Monday. Clear? Thank you class.